Who should be your target market when starting in serviced accommodation? Hello, my name is Mark Fitzgerald. It's great to have you joining me here today. So, who should you be targeting your properties to when you're starting your serviced accommodation business? It's a question I get asked all the time, and it's a very, very important one. Why? Because our clients are the most important thing to us. The people that stay in our properties are the life and blood of our serviced accommodation business. So we need to identify a target market. We do not want to be trying to cater for everybody. If you try and cater for everybody, each and everybody out there, you will not get the results that you want. You really want to be niching down. Yes, you may attract a few other different sort of clients than what you're actually looking for. But in the long run, if you niche down, if you speak to your target market, you will find that you get a better occupancy rate, you get more people wanting to stay longer in your property, and that is better for us as serviced accommodation providers. So, identifying your target market in your local area can help you massively. And these are some of the steps that I suggest that you look at. So it all starts by researching your local area. Begin by conducting thorough research, on your local area to understand the demographics and the economy. Look at the trends and look for the population size, And also, what are the income levels, employment sectors and tourist stats of the area. Don't get overwhelmed by this. Just systematically work your way through finding out this information, because this will give you insights into the potential people that want to stay in the area. If it's very close to networks and it's close to hotels and it's close to work that is going on, potentially lots of businesses, it may be contractors that will want to stay in your property. Yet if it's very touristy or there's lots of people that love to come and visit people, you may get families that want to stay there. There could be attractions in the area. You really just want to be making a list of everything that is in the area to help you. Also, don't forget to start studying the competition. Other serviced accommodation providers in this area will already probably understand this, and the more you can see what their offerings are, what their pricing are, what they are sort of trying to target in the descriptions of their units, can help you with your analysis, and it'll help you identify any gaps that the market may have. Maybe there are a few gaps. Maybe people are trying to market to the wrong sort of clientele. That's brilliant. That's music to your ears, because it means then that you can market in the right manner and get the people to stay at yours rather than at your competitors. Because if you start catering for the wrong people, as I say, you could be on a highway to nothing. So, by defining your target audience based on the research you've conducted, you can create a profile for your ideal customer, a customer avatar, if you like. You can look at their gender, you can look at their income, you can look at their professions, you can look at their interests. You can write all of these down, and that will help you understand what they want and what they need from your accommodation. So if it's a family that is staying in a property, will they have a pet? Would you allow dogs to stay there as well? And if so, why not cater for dogs in your adverts as well? Have a nice little bowl and maybe a few treats for them. If you don't cater for pets and maybe you just want professionals to be there, contractors and things like that, then you cater for contractors, good coffee machines, make sure microwaves are there, easy access to potentially fast food joints and stuff, because they may not want to cook. They might want the luxuries of cooking, but they might want to just go out and have a beer, grab a steak somewhere, or a Chinese or something like that, some sort of takeaway food. So have you got that in and around you? Have you got parking? Parking can be a premium, particularly for contractors and things. They love to be able to park right where they're staying. And of course, most people who are staying anywhere want to be able to park unless the train links are absolutely superb and parking just isn't going to happen. If you're somewhere based down south in London or something and parking is just not going to be an option, then at least let people know that the train links and everything like that are there. And are you catering for those sort of people that will want to be staying in the property? Okay? Utilize online resources. Make use of the various online resources and tools to understand your target market. Social media platforms can be brilliant for this. Market research, websites, government, census data can be great as well. And this can all provide you with valuable information about the local population, the preferences, and what is hot in the area as well. So engage, if you can, with local businesses. Look at what businesses are in and around your units and go there and start establishing relationships with these people, with these organizations, okay? Look at the local tourist board. Most places that have a good tourist trade will have a tourist information bureau. Go and speak to them. See what people are after. What are they looking for? If that's the sort of market that you're going for, go and get the insights for your customers' needs. And also look to collaborate on marketing with some of these smaller businesses. If they can market your services, you'll market their services to your clientele. If they have a restaurant, you'll put it in your brochure, you'll put it in your house guide, you'll put it in local attractions. Work together, because together we are stronger. And that can also go for competition as well. I get it all the time. People say to me, Mark, it's saturated with SA units in my area. I say that's absolutely amazing. That's brilliant. How many hotels have you got? We've got loads of hotels. Then there's massive demand, and there's no harm in you getting involved as well, because I tell you what, until you've got about 5 or more serviced accommodation units, you will need, and I'll say this again, you will need one of your competitors to be able to work with. Why? Because at some point you will be overbooked, or you will have a long booking and somebody else will want to stay there. You want to then be able to have a trusted partner, competitor that you can pass those leads to. You can take a percentage of the fee, but you pass the rest to them, and you say that they can do the same for you as well. It works very, very well. So a competitor or a strong market is a good thing to be seeing, is a good thing to have around you. Okay, so don't shy away from those sort of things. Look at attending local events, potentially trade shows, networking opportunities. Engage and have conversations with people, get insights into the preferences around the areas and really how you can sell your units in a unique manner. Okay, we work very, very strongly on this in the modules in the ultimate Serviced Accommodation Business Builder Training Program. And if you need any help with this, any extra help, and you're really enjoying this, then do check out thepropertyunleashed.com. We have a 10-step ebook in serviced accommodation that you can download. We also have a serviced accommodation masterclass training which will take you through the 10 steps of the ebook in more detail with myself and Graham Linley. Graham Linley has over 350 serviced accommodation units, so that when you're learning by somebody like him, you are learning from the best, or one of the best in the business. Okay, and what I'm telling you now is 100% free. So go over there, check it out, grab the free guides, do the masterclass, get yourself out there and be set up to doing this the right way. Hey, and when you're doing it and you're really successful, reach out to us and let us know that potentially we may have helped you get your success. What goes around comes around in life, so make sure that you're doing these things. Okay, but also make sure that you are getting yourself out there, boots on the ground, you're talking to people, you're looking at the adverts. Make sure that you're writing it all down and you're paying attention to all of the details out there, because we want to make sure that we are the property professionals in our area. And if you can get this right, and that might mean just getting out there, talking to local shopkeepers, talking to local businesses, seeing if any of those local businesses may actually have a need for a short-term rental in the area. And of course, when it comes to keys, when it comes to all sorts of different things that you potentially need when running your business, you never know if those local businesses for a small fee may take on, managing the keys, looking after things like that for you. So start building up those relationships now before you really need them, okay? And they will pay dividends in the long run. I hope this episode's helped you. Do check out thepropertyunleashed.com. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram, Mark Fitzgerald Entrepreneur. You'll know me because I've now got the blue tick. and we are here to help you every which way. So go and help yourself to the free tools and resources. Hey, and let us know how you've got on. If you want to take it to the next level, we do have the Ultimate SA Business Builder training program, where we take you from complete novice to seasoned service accommodation expert, six-figure business. Everything you need is in this roadmap of training that you never lose access to. There's over 90 videos. There's all the contracts, scripts, everything. Absolutely everything is in there. You would then join us in a private Facebook group, which you never have to leave. And we have group coaching calls where you will come and you will be able to ask us all your questions. And we will basically hold your hand whilst you do all of this. And that is why our clients get so much success. But check out, go and grab the freebies and get yourself started. You take care, and I'll see you in the next video or podcast episode. Bye for now.